I'm Grant with MarineMax in Jacksonville Beach. Today we're on Grady-White's 215 Freedom. This is a 2020 model. This is equipped with the 200 horsepower 4-stroke Yamaha. It's a great power package for this boat. Plenty of power. Going to be a mid 40 mile an hour boat with a 200 Yamaha, and the fuel efficiency is really, really good. We're starting at the back of the boat here. First thing that you'll notice when you climb on board is that this has a nice 4-step ladder. It goes really deep down in the water, so it's easy to board the boat when you're climbing on the water. If you've been out snorkeling or diving or whatever. Then you notice that you've got a nice walk through here, passing through to the back of the boat. Close this back off, you flip these seats over, and there's a cushion on the underside of it, and then you've got a nice seat back in the back, but they make it so that you can reverse that so that you're not stepping on top of your cushions. Really smart. Back of the boat, this is a great runabout boat, great ski boat, but it's a fishing boat too. So if you notice, there's a live well located in the center of the boat back here. There's rod holders in the gunnel. So this is a great family boat, great for just cruising around, but it's a great fishing boat as well. And that live well and the rod holders helps that all out. As you move forward, you look at the captain's chair on here, really nice. Armrest flip up on it. Swivels. Also has what's called a flip-up thigh-rise bolster on it. So if you like to stand up and drive, I can stand up and drive, or I can sit up on top of that bolster, or you can put it down and just sit on it like a regular seat. Both sides have that really nice seat. If you look at the quality on this seat, that just screams Grady-White. Beautiful, beautiful chairs on here. You've got a head on the port side. You've got your stereo on the port side as well, too. Real easy for whoever's sitting on this side to control it, but you've also got a remote for that stereo on the starboard side, so that the captain can also work the stereo from this side. Going up to the bow of the boat, you've got fish boxes up in the front, so you've got dry storage or insulated fish boxes. Nice lounging seats in the front, cushions that go right here, a separate anchor locker up here, handrails that fit right when you're sitting down there. They go right where your arm goes. This is the Grady-White 215 Freedom. It's at MarineMax in Jacksonville Beach. I'm Grant. Give me a call today.